Hello everybody, I'm here with this Trailblazer and the battery's dead. It's been sitting over the winter time, so it's completely dead, and I think it might have a bad battery. But you go to start it, it don't even click. The lights don't come on or anything. So we're gonna see what it'll do here. I got a jump starter and it's from Foxpeed. And it's a G29, and it's got a couple USBs on the front. One's for a fast charger and the other's slow, and it's got a light on it, and it can be a strobe light also. Has a spot on the side for an output on a DC, so you can plug this adapter that comes with it for a cigarette port, like lighter part. And it just plugs in there like that. Has your charging cable, and it has a little cube that you can plug into your outlet to charge it with. And you also get this here part with your two clamps, and this here just plugs in to your power bank. So we're going to hook it up here and see if we can't get this to start. This has side posts on it, and it's really hard to get a clamp to stay on it and get a good connection. So we're going to try to go off this here cable up here and see if we can't get it. And I'll hook it on that bracket here to ground it. And on the front of this, you got this little rubber part. It just flops back. And this here part here just plugs in one way, so there's no getting it backwards. And if you hook the cables up backwards, it'll let you know. So there's no back feeding it and ruining it. I don't know if you can see or not, but it's lit up there. So we're going to give this a try, and hopefully it will start. It started up pretty good there with it. So I highly recommend these. I've had one before, so I knew it was good. I knew it would start it. So I'll put a link down below where you can get these. And like I said, I've had them before. They're really good. And I've had them for a long time. So don't forget to check out my videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And have a great day, everybody. Bye.